Looking at special angles, here is special angle 45 degrees. We are going to know the values of this special angle in the trigonometrical ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. So if you look at this board, for us to get it, we'll consider a right angle triangle that has each of the angles to be 45 degrees. Okay, here is 45 degrees. Here should also be 45 degrees, but I'm considering here. And all the two remaining adjacent sides to be one unit each. But for us to find it, we also need the hypotenuse. So let's label the hypotenuse to be x. So we use Pythagoras theorem to find the remaining side of the triangle, which is the hypotenuse. And Pythagoras says that hypotenuse squared is equals to the opposite squared plus adjacent squared in a right angle triangle. So the hypotenuse is x, and the two other side will be 1 squared plus 1 squared. These are the sides. You have it that x squared is equal to 2, because 1 squared is 1, 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then x is gotten by taking the square root. You have it that x is equals to root 2. Okay, so here is actually root 2. So remember, for us to get sine 45 degrees now, that's the angle, is equal to, recall we are using SOHCAHTOA as our abbreviation, okay? So you see that sine, which is so, is the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse. So if you look here, consider this angle. The longest side that is always facing the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So here is our hypotenuse. Then the side that is directly opposite to the angle is called the opposite. So here is the opposite. And the remaining side is called the adjacent. So here is the adjacent. So sine 45 degrees is the ratio of opposite. You say the opposite is 1 over hypotenuse is what? Root 2. We got it to be root 2. So sine 45 is basically 1 over root 2. Or you can rationalize the denominator by multiplying it by root 2. You know we've done so before. Okay? And that will give you that 1 times root 2 is root 2 over root 2 times root 2 is 2. So the answer is root 2 over 2. So if you look at the next one, which is the cos theta, or cos 45 degrees, is equal to, we look at cos, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So what's the adjacent? 1. You have it as 1 over, the hypotenuse is the longest side, which is root 2. So basically, you have it as 1 over root 2, and which is the same thing as sine. So we have it to be root 2 over 2 when we rationalize the denominator. So the next one is tan. So you see that tan theta is equal to tan 45 degrees, because we are looking at special angle 45 degrees, is equal to, tan is the ratio of opposite and adjacent. So we have it as opposite 1, adjacent 1. So you have it that tan is 1. Simply means that sine theta is root 2 over 2, cos theta is root 2 over 2, and tan theta is 1 in the special angle 45 degrees. Bye.